everybody, welcome back to the channel. You know, I get a lot of requests on different things to make, and one I got quite a few on hash browns, like made when you go to a diner. You know, those ones you see on the side of the highway, where they're nice and crispy on the outside and flaky tender on the inside. So we're gonna do hash brown diner style today, or diner style hash browns today, using frozen potatoes. That's all you need. We're doing it next. Stick around. All right, let's get started on these crispy diner-style hash browns. We got our small egg pan out, tablespoon of butter, and some avocado oil. Got to have a liquid base to get these where you want them. Once that is all melted and heated on medium, we're going to add about a cup of those frozen hash browns. And we're going to spread them out evenly. And find a little hole here, we're going to add a few more. And then kind of press everything down nice and tight. We're going to leave this on medium heat. We're going to put a cover on it and let it go without touching it for 6 minutes. That's very important. Put the lid on, leave it alone for 6 minutes. Now after 6 minutes, you can see the outside ring is nice and crispy. So we're going to get in there with our spatula and slide it underneath. And with one swoop, we're going to flip it. Sometimes it works perfect. Sometimes we lose a little bit like that. No big deal. Just put it back, press it down. It'll be just fine. Don't worry about it. And we're going to let this go for about 3 or 4 minutes. That way we get the bottom crispy as well. And once we get that time is up, transfer it to a plate, hit it with a little bit of salt and pepper, and you have got diner style hash browns at home, perfect every time. All right, see you on the next one.